When I say this mushroom is growing fast, I opened up my greenhouse and that's what it looked like this morning. And that's what it looks like this afternoon. So I'm pretty proud of this. Now for my pink one, I don't know if these are just small, the pretty pink princess. I don't know if these are just smaller, because that could be how it is. And for my other one that didn't develop yet, I just think that it may have gotten contaminated, because this is starting to look gray and molded. Part of me says let it go. Other part of me says, well, maybe some of it will get some mushrooms. I don't know. You have to really sanitize when you start these. I wiped off the space, not with bleach, but with just a typical cleaner. And I used my keychain to bust holes in it. I didn't sterilize. And as I read further in my book about mushrooms, which I should have totally read first, I see people in the book talking about, you know, use a lighter to use, or your knife that you would use to sanitize it, and clean with bleach and wear gloves. So I was nasty. If I hadn't been so nasty, this probably would have came out better. But I'm not going to discount it. We'll give it about a week to see if it does anything. If not, I'm just going to throw it in the compost bin. But 2 out of 3 ain't bad. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't gonna beat myself up too much. I'm gonna eat these tomorrow in an omelet, because I got some cheese and I got some eggs. All right, y'all. Take care.